Meaning of hawthorn.
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 Hawthorn. Hawthorn refers to a type of thorny shrub or small tree belonging to the rose family. The plant is native to Europe, Asia, and North America and is characterized by its lobed leaves, white or pink flowers, and red berries. Hawthorn has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for various purposes, including treating heart and circulatory disorders, digestive problems, anxiety, and skin conditions. The plant contains antioxidant compounds that have been shown to have potential health benefits. However, further research is needed to fully understand its potential uses and effects.